Hi, I'm Mike Felcha, and I'm the owner of Natural Cleaning Crew. So, window cleaning is important for our clients because not only does it prolong the life of the window, but it also lets more light in and improves your property's value. Well, we use a pure water technology, and what this technology does is it's a 4-stage water filtration system, which uses a carbon filter, a sediment filter, a reverse osmosis filter, and finally a deionization filter. And what this does is it takes all the impurities and minerals out of the water so that we could safely clean the windows up to 3 stories from the ground. We value a high quality product which leaves your windows clean for as long as possible.